The pigeons have developed themselves as an urban bird. Usually, they live in old buildings and the shrines. But they are livings, so water is necessity for them. So they land on the bay of the rivers. But sometimes they have to face river monsters. Usually, this happens when they try to remove the dust of cities in the water, and they try to wash themselves in the water of river. By this time, these pigeons have to face the predator catfish. The predator has attacked when the feathers of the birds are wetted, so it is very difficult for the pigeon to fly. The eyesight of catfish is weak, therefore they use their baboons to protect the pigeons. The attack of the catfish is very strong, but pigeon is trying to save its life. Since pigeons are urban birds, so they have developed them to save their lives from the fishes.